Right. Are you ready? That is all you need to know to be a professional guitarist. That is all you need to know in order to be a professional guitarist. I'm not joking. I'm not joking. My first video that I put out a year ago was maybe a bit long-winded. All you need to know to be no fucking hell. Now you will notice I don't say play the guitar in a week or play the guitar in a day. I say become professional, and by professional I mean play well enough for people to want. Fucking hell, there's something wrong with this fucking connection. Now, play well enough for people to want to part with their hard-earned money to listen to you. Now, as I say, you need to know 2 chord shapes. Fucking hell. Hold on. See if that works. You need to know 2 chord shapes. You can play them in any position on the guitar. That and that. Now the first chord shape that I played was that. Which is that. The second shape I played was that, which is that. I suppose this interference makes it a bit more interesting or exciting, eh? You know. So you've got that. Those 2 shapes are all you need to know in order to play the guitar professionally. And now you've got your 3 chord trick. You've heard of the 3 chord band who use the 3 chord trick, and this is your 3 chord trick. That, and then slide your hand 2 frets up towards the body of the guitar, and they're the 3 chords you need to know. Now you can do a good tune. You can earn a living. Bo Diddley based an entire career on that progression. Now you've got your ordinary rock and roll, things like Bill Haley and the Comets. That's your next one. Then you might do now you've got 3. You got 3 you can build an act on, and you can make your own up. Now, if you want to, if you want to get really sophisticated, you can change the what is it? You can change the key inside the fucking hell. This is getting on my fucking nerves now. You can change the key. You can change the key inside the tune simply by moving the progression 1 fret down from where you started, or 1 fret up. So let's go to the A sharp major. Slide down. Slide up. Go back to where you started. Now that's that bit done. Now working backwards in the list from what I did in my first video. Right, in order to do that, what I've just done, I won't do that. You need to use the bar chord. Now you can go back to one of my previous video. I think it was in the either second or third video I told you about bar chords, how to do the bar chords, and in order to be able to play the bar chord properly, you will need to rest your guitar on your opposing knee. So for a right-hander, you will rest it on your left knee, rather than doing it there and having your guitar flopping about all over the place, and then trying to hold your bar chords there and stretching the tendons in the back of your hand or forearm. Right, so that's that. Yeah, now you know how to earn a living by playing the guitar. Whether you're in your 40s, your 50s, your 60s. And I say that because